welcome back everyone. This is Sam Day. So in this video, let me quickly show you how you can check your availability center around you, okay, in your location. Okay, so you go to your Chrome browser and type passport. Can you see passport.immigration.gov.ng? Okay, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you will see something like this, interface like this. So decide this is the passport application portal for applicants applying within Nigeria. If you are applying from within Nigeria, click on the continue button. So we are click on the continue button. So once you reach in this interface, just click here. Okay, click here. Okay, check center availability, because you need to know the day and the date for your processing center that you want to go for biometric. Okay, so you need to know the day you are going. So check your center first before even trying to say that, okay, I want to apply for international passport. That is very important. Okay, so once you get to this interface, as you can see, it says you choose country, so automatically it is in Nigeria. So now come to this side and click here, find available appointment date. So just click on it and let it load. Can you see? So now this is where you now search for your location. Okay, if you are from maybe Lagos, you search for Lagos. Okay, as you can see, Lagos now, it has 5 immigration offices in Lagos. So can you see, we have here, we have Alausa, we have Alimosho, we have Festac, we have Ikorodu, and we have Ikoyi. Okay, so if you are in Lagos, choose anyone to check your center availability. As you can see here, next available date is April 21. Okay, in Alausa. So even every immigration offices in Lagos, the next available date, it is April 21. So that is how you know your center availability. So you need to check this. Maybe you want to start your processing today and you feel like, okay, let me check which day I will go for appointment day. So once you check, you will know the day that will be available to go for your capturing. So that is that. So if you are in Ibadan has only one. Okay, as you can see, it has only one immigration office in Ibadan. So we have only one. So maybe you want to check Abuja. Can you see Abuja? Can you see? So their own appointment day is April 28. Okay, April 28. Can you see? So that is how to check your center availability. So you can see Ebonyi, Abakaliki, Abeokuta, Ado-Ekiti. So in your location, just go and check the next availability, center availability, and let me know in my DM. Okay, send it to me in my DM. So I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you, and if you have any question, drop it in my DM, or whenever group is open, drop it in my DM. Okay, thank you and God bless you. Bye for now.